Yeah. Ezabafazi guys, umntana umntwana. Respect that, respect nomntwana, because you don't want and we don't want domestic violence, whether it's at a game or it's not at a game. You have taken away the joy from umntana from attending ama-match. Izwisa thina ubuhlungu ngoba nathi nami ngiletha abami abantwana to a match. Ngiyibhakaniya inhlonipho as a Buccaneer, number one. Masithi always sisho lokho because sifuna baqale basasebancane once and always, and we don't want loyo once and always ube mubi ngenxa yakho. So nithi mina nxese on behalf of women. And I literally say ukuthi sizothi amadoda ayashaya ayaslimaza, but we also shouldn't provoke them. So the boy is going to eventually, hopefully someday come back.
No, you was spent today. You was spent today.
Yeah.
So.
And Ibola is for everyone. Ibolo is for women. Ibolo is for children. Sikhulisa ingane zethu under Ibola and bayalthanda nabo. Let the stadium be for everyone. And let it be something that unites all of us. Sinekhosi elime phambi kwethu. SineBuccaneer elime phambi kwethu. But you don't see us. We banter, whatever the case is. But at the end of the day, it's about uthando for the game. And uthando for the game does not include any form of violence in any sort of way. So, Bosisi out there, please. Refrain, no, not even behave. Refrain from that. Be the women that we are. Siyimbokodo, siza nothando, and sithanda ibola. And it's not even about to refrain from behavior in Janjan. No, I'm not going to be proving or talking about that message, but I'm just saying, Nguti, let us be the women that we are, that we are known for. Sileta uthando, siyakhulisa. And at the end of the day, that is all that is needed. And Ibolo is all about that unity, uthando, growth, and enjoyment. For ingane, let's please also refrain and treat them as ingane and protect them as well, because they are future leaders. Ingane zabafana as well, and they are future soccer stars. One day, esizohlala efieldini sis support. So yeah, that is all I had to say with regards to that.
No, siyabonga. Usashonga igama wani?
Igama is Princess. I'm really happy
you
that
are really a princess.
I have.
Thank you. Siyabonga, Princess.